Hey, Conroy, what you got? You're doing mushrooms now?
No.
You're doing mushrooms?
No, I look cool and edgy. That well of gags has been dried up by Newgrounds in the mid-aughts. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna make dinner with these.
Alright, but if a woman with a frying pan busts up the kitchen, you're paying for takeout!
No one's gonna get that reference!
Is this even legal? Is this even legal?
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't get out of my property! Get out!
You are not to yell at me.
1.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
I will.
Ooh, that stares back at you,
Get
animal.
out of my property! Now!
Well, yeah, it'd be dangerous to leave it alone. You'd take this.
I have asked you to leave multiple times.
All right, you're under arrest.